It's island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan beautiful people. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, right guys. So you guys see the title, you guys see the thumbnail, you guys know what this video is all about, right? Yes man, that is it. Alright guys, so guys, we are here at Jamaica. What me say we are do? We are here at Jamaica. Yes man, are you ready? Get excited. Are you ready? What them here? They may not look like say around the corner we are go. Don't. Big luggage and thing. Yeah man, so the whole family are head out guys. Right now this are just few of the suitcase them. You see me? So yeah, this are some exclusive and thing yes, right, you know. Guys, let me know if you're ready for this, cause I'm ready, you know. Yes man. My people, it's been a long time, don't? Almost 2 years, don't? Me could do it now. Let's go now. We on the road now. Let's go now. Jamaica, Jamaica, yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica. 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 Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gift. Well, I wish that was the case, but the reality is I won't be going back to Jamaica anytime soon. And the reason for that, well, obvious reasons for that is I'm halfway around the world. If you look on the globe, I'm like literally halfway around the world. I'm not like a Jamaican in America or a Jamaican in Canada. You see me? You have to take multiple flights literally to come to Australia. From Jamaica, you're looking at 24 hours or more. You see, it all depends. Yeah, but it's a crazy distance. Let me just put it at that. Yeah, man. So, but before we get into the rest of the video, guys, I just want to say Happy Independence Day to all my Jamaican people, whether they're here or they're abroad. You see me, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So, yeah, guys. Wow, it's a crazy journey, eh? Been in Australia, I call it 2 years now, cause yeah man, about that time, you see me. So yeah, but the thing is that guys, it costs a lot to go back home. Right now, if I should look on the flights for Jamaica right now, for my whole family to go to Jamaica right now, we're looking at least 8-9 grand or even 10. All depends on the the fares and thing. But yeah, it's in those price range, like from 8 to 10,000 Australian, and that's like pretty much $1 million in Jamaica. Like, it's no joke. If you think I'm lying, Google it for yourself. Alright, so for me reach a yard right now, it's not gonna be an easy trip. So but the thing is, we're looking at next year, if life spare, yeah, I look for reach a yard, see it. Yeah man, because I always tell myself this, and this is just a personal thing of mine. I don't want to be away from my country for years. Like, I know a few Jamaicans here that they've been here. I know one guy been here for like 12 years. There's one guy been here for like 10 years and they haven't been back home within that time frame. You see it. So I don't want to be away from my country that long, to be honest. Yeah, I know everybody have their circumstances and it could be just a choice for them, but yeah, I don't know if I could have done that still. Yeah, everybody different still, but I could not be away from my country that long. You see it. So yeah, but if everything go well as planned, next year, yeah, that's see me again. You see me. So yeah, and the whole family I push out, so you know there's something they go. Yeah man, so excited about that. Yeah man, yeah, excited to see my whole family, my mother, my brother them, and everybody I see it, my brethren them and thing. Yeah man, it's gonna be a crazy reunion, you see me? Yeah man, which I know you guys are looking forward to that as well. You guys been asking when we're going back to Jamaica and everything there. But yeah, it's gonna be a crazy adventure when we get back home. We have so much things planned now, we're not even, we're not even close to going there yet, but it's just a whole excitement for the whole family, I see it. Yeah man, and I'm a country that I'm a birthplace. There's some learn everything, my knowledge, everything growing up. So yeah, we're looking forward to that, people, and I know you guys are excited too. Yeah, but also let me know how long you guys have, some of you guys that living abroad, or how long have you guys been away from your country, or currently, if you have never been back home since you left yard, like how long has it been? I like to know these little information, so yeah, share that with me in the comment section. Yeah man, but yeah man, I look figure yard soon still. You wanna see when you're ready? Yeah man, so guys, yeah, these days I just feel like reason with you all, isn't it? So you guys haven't been seeing much fishing video for a while now. It's just like a more, they at home and just feel like we just pick up the camera and chat too, Yeah man, so and that you see it. So give thanks for watching, my people. Yeah man, and share your comments, your thoughts in the comment section with me. Let's go now. We on a roll. Give thanks. Jamaica. Yes, they're forward. Jamaica.